Okay, I think we might have caught something that was trying to get into our chickens. We've had 4 chickens disappear in the last 2 days. So we set a trap up by a hole we found, and yeah, now we're gonna go check it. We've kept our chickens locked up for the 2 days since the chickens went missing. I'm surprised that whatever it was didn't get in with the new chicks. You see right there, one just went into the house. There's Buddy. Hey, little Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Yeah, that's Buddy. He's my favorite. Now, I'm gonna check the trap. Here it is right over here. It's got a small little foothold in it. And nothing.